Hi there. I'm Anthony, your friendly realtor in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. Today, we're going to talk about something super important: home inspections. Buying a home is exciting, but we want to make sure it's a good one. So, let's dive into the essentials of home inspections and why they're a must for every home buyer. A home inspection is like a thorough checkup for your house. Think of it as going to the doctor for a physical exam, but instead of checking your health, we're checking the health of the home you're about to buy. Tip: always get a home inspection before finalizing your purchase. It's a smart way to catch any hidden problems that might not be visible to the untrained eye. So, why is a home inspection important? Well, imagine moving into your new house only to find out the roof is leaking, or the electrical wiring is outdated. Yikes! A home inspection helps you avoid these surprises by identifying potential issues early. Tip: a good home inspection can save you money and headaches in the long run. During a home inspection, the inspector will look at many parts of the house, including the roof, foundation, plumbing, and electrical systems. They make sure everything is in good condition and working properly. Tip: think of the inspector as a detective looking for clues to make sure your new home is safe and sound. Some common issues found during home inspections include mold, cracked foundations, and broken appliances. It's better to know about these issues before you buy, so you can negotiate repairs or decide if the home is still the right choice for you. Tip: don't be alarmed if the inspector finds problems. Every house has a few, and knowing about them up front puts you in control. Choosing a good home inspector is key. Look for someone experienced and certified. Ask for recommendations from friends, family, or your real estate agent. Tip: a reputable inspector will provide a detailed report with photos and explanations of any issues they find. And there you have it, home inspection essentials. Let's recap. A home inspection is a thorough checkup for your house. It's important to identify potential issues early, and choosing a good inspector is key to a successful home purchase. Avoid surprises and make informed decisions with a professional home inspection. If you have any questions or need more advice, leave a comment below. I'm here to help and would love to hear from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy explanations on all things real estate. Disclaimer: this video is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute professional financial advice. Always consult with a qualified professional for advice specific to your situation. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy house hunting.